All right, guys, here we are, update number 1 for Wildside Beard Company and Year of the Beard. So stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you, my friend, have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so today is update number 1 for Wildside Beard Company and Year of the Beard. Year of the Beard, 12 months, 12 companies, 1 company's products going in this beard per month. Amazing. All right, so we're in July now. We're 1 week in. Man, this year, I say it in every video, I feel like, but this year is flying by. It's going by so fast. But anyway, we're here to talk about a beard oil, beard balm combo from Wildside. Now, if you missed that unboxing and all the products that we're going to be going over this month, you can check it out. I'll put a card up top. You can check that video out and see what all we have for this month. But today, we're going to be taking a look at Campfire candy. Now, I wasn't real sure what this logo had in the background during the unboxing, but I have figured it out. It is a graham cracker, because Campfire candy is s'mores. So there is the balm. All right, so let's just start with this. So the balm, it comes in a 2-ounce screw top tin. We've got that logo on there. It's got that motorcycle motor with the beard under it. It's just a really cool, awesome logo. But it's got that graham cracker in the background for the Campfire candy. So the ingredients on the balm: beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and scented with premium grade essential oils. So you can see the back there. They've got Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, along with their website and the ingredients. Let's get into this. So you can see it is kind of an off-white color because of that beeswax, and man, have I dug in this. All right, so this to me is more of a conditioning balm. It is really silky smooth when you get it out. Now, Wildside also does have butters. Now, they didn't send me any butters, but they do have butters. I don't know how they are, but you see that one fingernail, then you see it here, and look at that. It is gone. And the scent on this, let me tell you, oh my God, it smells so good. So according to their website, let me get all this in here. So according to their website, Campfire candy is vanilla, mocha, chocolate, tobacco, coffee, and campfire. All right, so that is the balm. That's the scent profile for Campfire candy. Now I'm gonna talk about what I get out of it in just a minute. So the oil we have here comes in the amber glass dropper top bottle, and ingredients on the oil: jojoba, rosehip, sweet almond, argan, vitamin E, and scented with premium grade essential oil. So let's give it a good shake. So this oil, it is a cloudy yellow. All right, so color doesn't matter to me. Neither does the cloudiness. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so this is more of a lighter, kind of a lightweight, medium weight oil. Nothing too heavy. I don't even think it has no castor, so it's not a heavyweight oil. It's a medium to a light. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so what I get out of it, first thing I get is coffee. Then I get a little bit of that chocolate, and that vanilla starts creeping in there. That mocha, I'm telling you, this is a sweet scent. This profile is very sweet. So if you don't like sweet scents, you're not gonna like this one. But it's a sweet scent, and I can tell you, it's complex. It really is complex. I say that in videos because that's what they are. They're complex. There's a lot of stuff in this. You're talking vanilla, mocha, chocolate, tobacco, coffee, and campfire. Now, I don't really get the tobacco or the campfire. I get the chocolate I get the chocolate, the mocha, the coffee, and the vanilla. That's what I pick up. But it smells amazing. And I can tell you, scent duration on this didn't matter if I wore this in the last week. I've worn oil, I've put this in at night, I've put the balm in at night because it is more of that conditioning balm. Scent duration on this, I got this for anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. If I did both, it was pushing a little over 8. I could still pick up hints of just variations. It changes. This scent changes throughout the day. When I put it in, I get that chocolate, that coffee, that mocha. But during the day, it kind of changes and you get more of one. And then a little bit later, you get more of a different one. So it's really, really unique and awesome scent. S'mores. Who doesn't like s'mores, right? So the balm smells just like the oil. It does not change a whole lot when you warm it up. As for the oil, I know some oils do change drastically when you warm them up in your hands. Campfire Candy does not. It stays true to what you smell in the bottle after you warm that up, and that is a good thing because you know what you're getting before you warm it up in your hands. But it's good. You like s'mores? Who don't? You like the sweet scents, then you're gonna like Campfire Candy. Hey, I got a promo code, Beard Outdoors 15. That's gonna save you 15% on your order from Wildside. Now let's talk prices since we talked promo code. Balm, 15. Oil, 15. Both right there in that market average. It's right there with the market average. You can get a combo for $27 of oil and balm. But that promo code that I have for you will save you 15%. Beard Outdoors 15. That'll save you 15%. I get no kickback. That's only a promo code. It's not an affiliate code. It's just a promo code. So save yourself some money and go pick up some Wildside. So not only is the scent great, but it has done amazing in my beard. Feels really, really good in beard. Both the conditioning, I just call this a conditioning balm. It doesn't have a whole lot of hold to it, and the oil feels really good in beard. I've worn it 1 or 2 days. I've worn just the oil, and it's amazing. So get over. Links will be in the description, as well as that discount code will be in the description, so you can get over and check it out. But that's it for this time. We got more updates coming, so make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because there is going to be a huge giveaway at the end of the year that you're not going to want to miss out on. So that's all I got for you today, guys. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.